Hi, my love, and welcome to my channel, another tutorial. And this is the inspired by Angela Bright. She did amazing job. I just recreate her from one of her eye look, and it's really stunning and very easy. Approximately 5 minutes took me 5 minutes to get ready this look, and if you like this, so keep on watching and let further ado, let's get the tutorial started. So first of all, I just make my eyebrows off camera and set up my concealer. Now I'm taking my Huda Beauty Naughty Nude palette. First shade in shade Filthy. It's like slightly pink shade. So it just need to be blendable, and I just take a little by little and little blendable and keep on my blending on my upper crease to make a depth or maybe a look like my crease. So now I'm taking the second shade in shade Passion, and it looks really amazing. I really like it. It's like the shade looks like ocean, glittery, shimmery, perfect for like wedding look or party look, like party wedding party wedding guest look. And just I apply on my with my brush, and little by little build it up. And I don't know why this shade brush didn't take it up, so I decided to use apply with my fingers, so you can see how look it's very stunning. And then I apply with the third shade in shade Shameless. All these shades are in the first row in the Huda Beauty Naughty Nude palette, and it is my most favorite eyeshadow palette I ever have in my collection. And then I using the brush. It you can't really see, but then I apply with my brush, fluffy brush, like most like blending crease brush. Then I apply again all two shades with my fingers, and you can see the look I create. It's very stunning, and it's very pop with the if I apply with my fingers. Now then I apply with my elf cosmetics H2O liquid pen black eyeliner, just to give it a little bit wing, and then apply on my lash line as my guidance. I don't go with overboard on for with my lash line. Now my look is complete, and then I take care of the my tape which I make for the apply on my makeup. Now I complete my look with using the concealer, color corrector, and blush and a highlighter. And look, this is how it's stunning, and I really like it. I hope you like this video. Please comment down below. Let me know how you like this look. If you want to create me any another look, let me know in the comment section below. I will try to recreate. This is my first recreate makeup. And don't forget to subscribe my channel, share with your friends and families, and I'll see you in next another tutorial. Till then, take care and bye.